Good morning, everyone. Welcome to KFE Souls. I'm sure you all had a sound sleep and already charging up for the day, planning for your meetings, for your travel, what food has to be prepared, what tiffin has to be packed, lots and lots to do. As you do your other activities, hear me out. Today, I'll be sharing an information which I've been following from a very young age. I was fortunate enough to be given this information by my elders. One of my teacher in my school also had mentioned about it, and since then I have been following this religiously. And today I take this opportunity to share it back with you all. When you wake up in the morning, you pay gratitude to the universe, to the Almighty, after which you just get off your bed, you have some me time, you are relaxing, and as you sit and relax, you understand that there is something that the body is demanding. There is something that the body needs. You have a good break of 8 to 10 hours. There is no supply which is being given to your body. So the first thing that has to go in your body has to be the most purest thing. And what is the most purest thing? None other than water. Why do you need water as the first thing in the morning? Please understand, water is one of the purest form which is available for us. So how is water going to help you? As you take it first thing in the morning, your cells get activated. Along with that, you are preparing your digestive tract for the day ahead. It helps you to flush down the unwanted materials very easily. Also, you feel energized and charged. Not only that, it keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Now the question is, how do you consume water as the first thing in the morning? I will try to share my habit with each one of you. What I do is, I try to take water on a little hotter side. Why I do this is because I've been following it from years now. You all may be new to this, and to start with, what do you all do is try to consume lukewarm water. Lukewarm water, most of you all are comfortable with. If you all still don't like lukewarm water and you all are not comfortable, try to take normal temperature water to start with. You can start with normal temperature. As you get comfortable, you can go with lukewarm water. Once you are comfortable on the lukewarm side, try to understand if your body is comfortable with it or you want a little warm water. You can decide for your own. You can choose the temperature of the water as per your body demand. Please understand that. Do not push yourself that I have told this information and you all have to really start with, oh, I've been following the hotter side and you all have to follow the hotter side as well. No, that is not the case. Please understand how your body is reacting, what your body is demanding for. Are you comfortable? Try to do this for a week, try to do it for 15 days and try to see the changes that is happening in your body. Of course, we have discussed about the temperature of the water. Now I will share the information how I drink it. So just give me a minute. I will try to just prepare my glass because I haven't had it yet. I just thought I will rush and make a video for you all. So I'll just fill my glass. So I've just taken normal water and I have hot water. So I'm taking hot water. As I told you all, I need it on the hotter side. So I put less of normal water and more of the hot water. So yes, cheers to this morning, and I will show you all how am I drinking it. Just observe very carefully. The first sip. The second sip. So what I did is, basically I'm having water sip by sip, correct? And at the same time, I just try to fill the water in my mouth and I just try to activate my muscles, okay? So what happens is, saliva around your mouth gets mixed with water and then the saliva also enters your digestive tract. This will help in healthy digestion and this will help build a very healthy digestive tract. I hope this information was useful to you all. Please make sure when you're drinking water, don't be in a hurry. Give it some time. Try to take it sip by sip. Try to roll the water inside your mouth. Let the saliva get mixed with water. and then please give it to your system. This is a very, very healthy way to start your day. On a normal day, what I would do is I would take a big cup, maybe I would have 1 cup of water. And of course, what I do next also I'll be sharing with you all, because there's a lot of information which I want to give you all, because I want each one of you to be healthy and live a very healthy life, right? So in terms of how much water should be consumed, if you are starting off new, take a small cup tea, try to take lukewarm water and have it sip by sip. If you feel comfortable, go for another cup. If you are not comfortable, please stop there. Try to follow it and practice it for a month or so, and then you can increase the quantity. Ideally, you should take a big cup of water, because that will actually help you charge. It will keep you hydrated for a very long time, because most of you might just enter your yoga class, or you all might just hit the gym. So you all need a good level of hydration. Take 1 full cup of water and have it sip by sip. Yes, this is the way I do it, maybe for a couple of times as I start drinking, and then you can just sip off normally. Also, one important thing, never be in hurry to drink water. Just try to take it sip by sip, so that you give enough time for your body also to get charged up. Watch out for more information. I will be sharing a lot of information related to water. What are the different types of water that you can have? The magic benefit that we have with water in different forms. I will share it with you all. If you like this information, please do share it with your near and dear ones. I request you all to please follow this and try to see the difference that it makes in your body, mind and soul. How do you feel energized, and how you feel the difference in your body? Practice it for a month and see the difference, and notice and observe the changes that is happening in your body. If you like the video content, do like it, share it with your family. The only goal is to help each other stay healthy, stay active and stay energized. Cheers till then. Thank you so much.